Alright guys, so I just sold my wheels to the boy Brian. RIP. Nah, but today we're installing this with that. So my brother Murijo already has this with the stock white pipe. So I got the ISR pipe with the top, man. It's just wrapped.
Big pipe.
Yeah, we just took this baby home last night.
Shout out to Big D. Came up, baby cams and everything.
No man. This one has the ¿cómo se llama? Tu sauce? ISR everything, right? ISR test pipe. So we're gonna do a comparison ahorita, a ver cuál les gusta más. And then there's this over here. So, yeah. Well guys, should I sell my wheels to Brian or what?
Pal Q.
They look clean, huh? All blacked out and cute.
All blacked out.
But yeah, I'm gonna fucking take this shit off. It was cool, I like it. I don't know if this shit's gonna be too loud.
Fuck yeah.
Pero a ver qué pedo.
Nah, it'll be cool.
So I have the eBay one, I don't know donde sea. It's pretty cool. No como este güey que le gusta andar cagando el palo. So we just put that shit in and we have to take this off. Cause it's a DE, I guess. That's what this was said.
Fuck a D.
So this shit was right there and it would fucking hit. So two on each side. Weight reduction. So that's that. That was a bitch. So, voy para throw it on. A ver qué pedo. Alright, so it's on after a while. Say what's up to the vlog, Eileen.
To the vlog.
Hi.
That's her number, guys. Call her, she's single.
Poppin'.
I was popping.
I'm gonna turn it on, a ver qué show. We're not gonna check for relics because I know we're gonna have some. Tell her that we put her number and shit. Dale. That shit's loud.
It's clean.
Approve or what?
So see.
It sounds like the straight pipe that we put on. That shit sounds clean. Fuck with it.
I do with you down shit.
For sale.
Hit it up. $20. Huh?
Your exhaust setup.
ISR test pipes, ISR white pipe, ISR single exit.
Covers. It's clean.
Static as fuck.
New compressor on the way.
Left here.
So first of all, we're gonna go test drive the car, but of course you gotta be smart and let your brothers drive. So if we get pulled over, it's on him.
You might want to get me down.
So be smart about it. And if you're in bags, or if you're not in bags, you wouldn't know. But pretty much you have your presets, right high, higher, like to go over speed bumps, and to slam it a little bit, you're air out all the way, air up all the way. So one.
If he just wants to hold my hand.
Compressor is on. Yeah. So here. think so
So far?
so far?
No sé, está loud, but it isn't loud because it's only loud when you stepped on it. Like that?
I think I like it.
Ese está
I
cool,
think
ese.
I like that.
Oh, wait, no, oh, yeah, once you...
Any problems, no remanga pues. That shit sounded nice. Not gonna lie. That shit sounded clean. What the fuck is clean? Vámonos, que aquí asustan. Pinche puerta, mamona. Why are you still in PJs, fool?
I hear it dripping, huh?
So I ended up taking the ISR white pipe off because it wasn't even that loud. I don't know why. I think it's a DE and it's not that much airflow, so this shit is like wider. I don't know if that makes sense, because that's the stock one, you know. Like, and when I saw this fool's video on his car, we put him aside and his shit, the stock one, looks more like this one, like the wider part. Like, I don't know. So.
Oh.
And since I didn't buy this fool nothing for Christmas. Christmas fool.
Thanks.
So yeah, so I'm just gonna take my stock one.
Hey, Loki, was it charged
I
after
don't
he
know.
cuts it?
Nah.
Yeah, you got on video, ya no puedes.
Vamos a ver qué pedo. Yeah, and I don't know why this one sounds nicer than this shit. So I'm gonna put this shit back. So it does leak a little bit from those. Sounds cool, I guess. But yeah, I just ordered my gaskets for the white, where the fucking, I don't know what meets this shit, but sounds cool, I guess.
Better.
And it's quiet when you don't want it to be loud.
Antes escuchabas el...
So stay tuned for that.